Unlock the power of your Dell laptop with our high-performance Denaq DQ-PA-12-7450 IC adapter. Are you tired of fluctuating voltage and struggling to keep your Dell laptop charged? Say goodbye to power wars with our robust 19.5V3-34A Denaq DQ-PA-12-7450 replacement AC adapter designed specifically for a wide range of Dell laptops including Inspiron, Latitude, Vostro, and more. This adapter isn't just powerful, it's also versatile, compatible with numerous models like the Inspiron 1501, 6400, E1505, Latitude 130-1L, and countless others. It supports a global input of 100V, 240V, and outputs a stable 19.5V3-34A, ensuring smooth operation across different power grids worldwide. Safety first, what you need, when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.